Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by clicking on Messages app and accessing one of your chats. Now click on this icon with a photo and a paperclip at the bottom left corner. Lastly, just click on one of your apps like Gallery. Tap on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources, and wherever you decided, hit Images filter at the top. Now simply hold your photos that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!